is Nicole and I am a tutor on Cambly. I'm from the United States and today I'm giving a lesson on the difference between who and whom. So, you may have heard people use either who or whom when asking a question and you don't know why. Today I'm going to explain the differences and I'm also going to provide some examples for you to understand better which one we should use and why. So, who is a subject pronoun like I, he, she, or we. Whom is an object pronoun like her, him, and us. We use who to ask which person does an action or which person is a certain way. We use whom to ask which person receives that action. So for example, we could say, who is this? Who is that girl? Who holds the purse, rules the house? Who is that person over there? Who likes to run? All right, so who goes with she and he. Whom goes with her and him. I'm going to give you some more examples. For whom, we would say, from whom did you receive these flowers? So you see, it's the person that is receiving the action. So they are her flowers. From whom did you receive these flowers? From whom? We could also say, to whom did you give the book? All right, so someone is receiving that book, and that's why we say whom. We could also say something like, whom did you choose for our team leader this year? All right, so who is a subject to a verb. Whom is an object in a sentence. Now, it's challenge time. We're gonna play a game and I want you to guess whether the sentence should be who or whom, okay? All right, the first sentence. Blank is calling me. Blank is calling me. Should it be who or whom? You're right. Who is calling me? Because it's a subject to a verb. The subject is who. That could be he, she, or we. So we could be calling them, he could be calling them, or she could be calling them. The subject to the verb, all right? So, who is calling me? Good job. Okay, we're gonna guess one more. I want you to guess if it should be who or whom. Ready? Okay. From blank did you get my number? From blank did you get my number? Should it be who or whom? Good job. From whom did you get my number? Whom is the object in the sentence. All right, so it could be from him or her. So I got your number from him. You wouldn't say, I got my number from he. You would say him, right? Awesome job. So, from whom did you get my number? Good job, guys. Thank you for watching my lesson today on the difference between who and whom. My name is Nicole and I'm a tutor here on Cambly. If you don't know what Cambly is, it's an amazing platform that pairs students with native English speakers to help them better their conversation, business English, that helps them prepare for English exams, anything you can think of. We are here for you. And if you'd like to schedule a reservation with me, you can click the link below. You can take your classes from your laptop, your iPhone, or your tablet. As long as you have Wi-Fi, you're good to go. All right, guys, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.